up something new. Bradley just brought his truck over, so him and Blaine are loading some things into his truck, and then we can head over. Let me show you guys what they're doing outside.
I just realized I forgot you have all the stuff in the back of your truck.
Yeah, that's what I said. Everybody's just putting stuff.
Well, that's not me. That's not me.
You did put this inside.
Bailey wanted them. You should check it out. Just put it on top of Christine's car. I think we'll put it right here. Yeah. So blend in with the tree.
As closest to the gate
as possible, so that way people don't steal it. Yeah. That's not awful. Hope not. We're gonna come back. It's gonna be okay, now we gotta load this thing up.
Why is everything so heavy,
How do you carry that?
This thing is pretty heavy.
Yeah, because they gotta balance the weight of a whole engine.
I didn't even move it. I moved this part. I for sure could do this.
All right.
Can I go, Chia? Okay.
Hey, that's off limits. Cannot. Unreal. I need you to be solid.
Bro, that's so high. This is so much higher.
Dude,
Can this go higher?
yeah, let's see how high this goes. You might have to take off your garage door.
Yeah, a little piece of the roof. I think if we put a chain up higher, and then we might get that extra inch. Yeah.
Anything for the extra inch. Whoa, how's that?
How do you turn it?
Oh, hey, he took my camper. Oh shit. He took my camper.
Good on that side?
I cannot see. Talking to you guys. Stay on the alternator right now. Teamwork. You saw that one? He's like, oh god. English now.
No, that's not even Levan, that's Filipino, bro. Oh, Jeremy, you need to help me, bro. You see me struggling with the map.
I am helping you mentally.
He's just watching me struggle over here. That's why I remember, Jonah, you was telling me how you never liked him so much.
Coming down.
Coming down. Please on here on this side. Down.
Let's clear.
Wow, can you believe Bradley is standing straight up? Yep, had to stop and get some sushi because you saw how hard we all worked. Only us deserve sushi though. That was on me.
Oh, bro. Yeah, you gotta try this.
Try this one, the unagi on top.
I'm telling you, I think mine might be better already.
Bro?
Tastes like you eating crab.
For real?
Bro.
Yeah.
I gotta try this.
Like that's good.
Oh, that's major.
Way better.
That's major.
I think this is the Hawaii roll. You wanna try? I don't know what's in it.
Yeah, this is one good sushi spot.
This is me. Well, you know that's for real. You know that's for real, huh? That's for real. You know what we look like right now. Yeah.
Check out our reflexes. Got any reflexes in the mirror?
Yeah, that is so sick. Hindi ko naramono na back na. Isa na day na ni. It's my monos. What's up? Kaya moro na. Kaya moro siya.
You know, for me, we just buy them though.
Yeah.
Just collecting them in the back.
Automotive
is out.
Automotive
is out. It's gonna be the third motor at the house. Easy. Wait. So push it back. Oh, that's why. That's why we finished it.
Freaky, gotta move the engine to move the engine. That's why I say, you guys see how I was doing the easy kind stuff. Bro, check up, see how easy that was.
Wow, it's almost like this mat was made for this truck.
Bruh.
You would think so, man.
Yeah, you would think.
You would think so, man.
I wish it didn't fly off that one time. Now this doesn't lock good.
Would have been perfect.
It's so perfect. They're like.
Yeah, you have a.
Came off. What the
Like,
heck?
Oh shit! Oh! Let's go get it. Let's put it back on. Oh, I hope it's still good. It looks like it's still
It's
good.
good.
Check. Glasses are good still.
Oh,
Yeah, he told me to floor it, so you freaking got
Yeah,
it.
let's move it on the side and let's drift this thing. That's probably what made it feel more heavy.
So this is the new engine pickup. It's a 2JZ GE non-BVTi, and more than likely it's gonna go inside that fastback shell that we have inside the garage. So that's the plans that we have for now. But before we go ahead and start any of that, we're gonna finish up this 1UZ swap inside the S14, which we're planning on doing fairly soon. So yeah, we have a lot of videos coming for you guys. Make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't already. Go ahead and cop some merch if you haven't, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.